like you have to balance, you have to find what works for you.
Yeah.
And it could be different from everybody, जो लोग सोच रहे हैं, it could be different from everybody around you, but if it works for you, it works for you. It's as simple as that. Maybe you're doing something different. Maybe you want to, let's say you're choosing colleges and all your friends are going to one particular university and you decide to pursue something else.
Yeah.
But then you tell yourself, maybe I'm making the wrong decision. Then you start wondering, pata nahi kya hoga. Maybe, I am not self-aware enough. But I think you have to understand somewhere that, your voice, your opinion, and your choice matters. And I think it's a skill also, like while we are in this age of making decisions, if you keep making decisions for yourself and trusting that they will work, or you'll pivot, even if you have to pivot it eventually, you'll finally get your way to it, you'll build the skill over time of taking decisions. क्योंकि वो भी एक skill है मुझे लगता है. वो सबको starting में नहीं आता है. I really didn't know. एक time पे जब मुझे कई बार बोला जाता था outrightly to make a decision, I used to take a step back. Okay, how do I decide? मम्मा पापा की तरफ चली जाती थी, Like I had that fear in me initially. But now when I've done that over the last decade, I think I'm more stronger. And I'm more able to, voice my opinions. वो भी एक चीज है जो मैंने अपने अंदर नोटिस किया कि ओवर टाइम ये स्किल मेरे अंदर डेवलप हुई है एंड इट ओनली कम्स बाय एक्शन यू कीप डूइंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन यू कीप मेकिंग दोस चॉइसेस टफ वंस एंड देन if they don't work, God forbid, अगर ऐसा हो भी जाता है, they don't work in your favor, you still believe that you will be okay. It's as simple as that. क्योंकि हर चीज everything is figure outable at the end of the day. कुछ भी आपके सामने हो, it is figure outable.
I like that word, figure outable. I love that. And I think when we are in crisis, we forget that everything is figured out. We're always like, oh shit, we are this is done. This is not working. Life is over. And I don't know what the next thing to do. But I think like 6 months later, 1 year later, you look back and you're like, theek hai, I knew what, like, this had to happen the way it happened for things to happen the way they had to happen, But you, in that minute, you will not be able to see it, And I feel like also as you start taking decisions, you also become more accepting of the fact that you have to live with the consequences of your decision. So you become more braver and courageous because initially you don't want to make a decision because you don't want to live with the consequence of it. But then you realize that if you the only way to actually go through life is to make decisions, take that right turn, left turn, go straight, and then if you hit a roadblock, take another turn, and life is full of those choices that you have to make,